Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well, and I just wanted to pop in very briefly to talk to you about your next phase as far as this particular course. So we're finishing up our epidemiology at risk assessments, and now's the time to really do some very strong and deliberate work as far as designing your particular project. So what we're going to really focus in on is really examining what's out there in the evidence, and I'm providing deliberate time for you to do so. So I want you to take note of the fact that the next forum lasts from the 18th through the 24th. So this particular forum, your initial response isn't due until November the 20th, and that's a very deliberate thing that I've done to allow you time to really examine what's out there in the literature. So please do take this time to very wisely examine all the opportunities that are out there based on your findings of your epidemiology at risk assessment. So with that being said, there are some suggestions within the forum, but that's not self-limiting. There are a multitude of other options that are out there, and it is really dependent on your choice as far as your population and what your area of focus is, to examine what opportunities there are to apply evidence-based practice in your project. So I want to just give you a couple of tips. Number one, don't get caught up on the word community as it's used in this forum. The word community actually can mean a number of different things in a number of different populations. It's not necessarily a geography-based word, so it's very broadly used. So don't get caught up on the word community, because really any sector can be a community, so to speak. So take a look at the different resources that are here and examine others that you may have found as you were moving through your epidemiology at risk analysis, and there are other opportunities as well. So if you get stuck, please let me know. Just a reminder, when we're looking at evidence-based practice, we've already gone through the process of defining your issues or concerns. So what you want to do is ask that question: what do you want to achieve, or compare current state to future state, our current state to what an innovative evidence-based practice may be, those types of things, and that will guide your search for evidence-based practice. So you need to then deliberately search the evidence, find the best evidence, and then finally use your wisdom based on your assessment and knowing your population, really what will work. So we're flipping all the way back to epidemiology, and we're looking at the term effectiveness. So there may be something that was proven to be have high efficacy in the evidence. However, it doesn't necessarily mean it translates to your particular area of focus, your population. So always use that wisdom, and that's a key element of DNP practice, is being able to discern what is the most effective means to have the best outcomes, and that's what evidence-based practice is all about. So really dive into this particular forum and start doing your pre-work for your project, and let me know if you have absolutely any questions. Thank you. Take care now.